What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we are going to be continuing the Tenere 700 build series with an overview of the Ermax heavy duty high screen. The OEM screen of the Tenere 700 leaves a little bit to be desired, especially if you are over 6 feet tall. Now I am 6'6", and when I ride the Tenere, the OEM screen does a fairly decent job at keeping the wind off my torso and part of my chest, but I still experience a lot of buffeting on my shoulders and specifically the chin bar of my helmet. It's so bad, in fact, that when I'm riding at any elevated speed, I am doing a bobblehead motion with my head because the wind buffeting is so bad. Not only is that downright annoying, but it is also going to be fatiguing over time when you have to ride 500 or 600 miles or maybe even more just to get to your next destination. You want to be in a nice aerodynamic little bubble where you don't feel any wind blast, and that is exactly what you'll get from the Ermax high screen. The high screen comes in two different variations. We have the standard one, which is made of the same material as the OEM windscreen, but comes in multiple different colorways. And then we have the heavy duty one here, which is what we are going to be installing on our Tenere. Now the heavy duty screen is made of polycarbonate, so it is a lot stronger than any standard windscreen, but it only comes in clear. So if you wanted a different colorway, you'll have to go with the standard windscreen. Both screens are going to be 8 centimeters or 3.14 inches taller than OEM, and that's a good bit taller, so it should work for most people and eliminate buffeting altogether and provide you that nice little windproof bubble. The screens are also incredibly easy to install. It's only 4 bolts, and they basically look OEM unless you go with a different color. And the only other way you'd really be able to tell is if you held them back to back, or this little Ermax sticker down here, which truthfully you can remove if stickers on your motorcycle aren't your thing. Well, enough talking. Let me show you how to install it now. Well, that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit that bell notification to stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.